Hello, I'm in a 2020 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then right here with the vehicle off, you find your dipstick, which you pull all the way out. Then wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then stick it all the way back in. And then pull it right back out again. And then we'll check the end. There's some notches on there, so kind of where that indentation is. That should give you a read on the left side's full and on the right side's low. So you want it closer to that left side, and say it is not very full. You'd want to add some oil, which this is where you'd add it to. Make sure you got the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But you just unscrew this while the engine's off. And with the funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill if you can as well, because that could cause issues. But screw this on nice and tight when you're done. And then I turn the motor on for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then repeat the process we did in the very beginning with this dipstick to check if we're at that full mark now. And I wouldn't do any of this in lieu of your regular oil changes, which you can do. Typically putting the vehicle on a slight lift, going underneath and pulling the oil plug, draining the old oil out, replacing any filters as needed, screwing that plug back in nice and tight, and then going back here again and adding the amount of oil recommended for your particular motor, screwing that on nice and tight, turning the motor on to circulate the new oil again, turning it off, and then the same process again in the beginning with this dipstick to see if we're at full. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.